Welcome to our channel, where today we dive into how to fix a declined credit card on Amazon quickly. And confidently having your credit card declined on Amazon can be frustrating, especially when you are ready to purchase something important. Let's walk through a detailed step-by-step process to resolve this issue efficiently so you can continue shopping without interruption. First, double-check your card details. Ensure that the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address you entered match exactly what your bank has on file. Often simple typos or outdated information cause transactions to be declined. Next, verify your card's status. Contact your bank or credit card issuer and confirm that your card is active and hasn't been blocked or limited due to suspicious activity or exceeding your credit limit. Also, inquire if there are any holds or restrictions on your account. Third, check your available credit or balance. Insufficient funds or credit can cause Amazon's system to decline the charge automatically. Make sure you have enough credit or available balance to cover the purchase. Fourth, verify your internet connection and try a different browser or app. Sometimes technical glitches on the Amazon app or your browser can result in payment errors. Logging out and back in can refresh your session and eliminate errors. Fifth, remove and re-add your payment method. Go to your Amazon account settings, delete the problematic card, and add it again to refresh the connection between Amazon and your bank. Sixth, consider using a different payment method like another credit card or Amazon gift card if problems persist. This can help bypass the declined card issue while you troubleshoot further. Finally, if none of these steps work, contact Amazon customer service directly. Their representatives can provide detailed insights on why your card is being declined and offer solutions you may not have tried. By following these steps in order, you can overcome a declined credit card issue on Amazon and enjoy hassle-free shopping. Remember to always keep your payment information current and monitor your bank notifications for any alerts that could prevent declines in the future. Thank you for watching this comprehensive guide.